Hello and welcome to video number 3. In this video, we're going to learn how to add CollaborateSpace users. To add users, first of all, you would go to CollaborateSpace.net and then go to your account as the owner of CollaborateSpace. While signed into CollaborateSpace, you'll notice that as the owner, you are the only registered user, depending on how many users you have available and how many licenses you have. But being only the one and being the owner, now you can actually add new users. So you would go to the user section, and then you would go to this icon over on the right hand side to add users. You can add them by email, a CSV file, or by LDAP, as we mentioned in the previous video, if you have that capability. In this case, I'm going to just add it by email. So if I add it by email, you then put in the email of the user that you want to use and also what kind of license that you want to give them. And then select Add. You will then see under the pending section that the email has been sent to them and the date that they were actually invited. Under the Registered tab, you would see all the ones that have actually been registered and accepted the invitation under CollaborateSpace. The user would then get an email from the administrator showing that they've been invited to CollaborateSpace. Then in the email, all they would do is click Link. And then this is where they would actually create their password. So here they would put in the password they want to use for their account and accept. Then it would take them to the site to actually download CollaborateSpace. After they've installed CollaborateSpace, they can now go to the opening page and sign in to CollaborateSpace. When they go to CollaborateSpace, they will now see contacts and they will see you as the owner as online because you've already run CollaborateSpace on your laptop or PC, and they will be able to do things like chat with you. So now with the message section, you could go to that and put in a chat feature with that. They would also be able to do other things like under settings, put their name, their last name, what they wanted to use, their email. They could add a phone number to that as well to be able to do phone calls. And they would also be able to do their status, available, busy, or invisible. There are some other settings that they can use as general information, what kind of language they want to use, other things with the cameras that they want to maybe use, and also what kind of audio and video devices they want to connect when using Space. As the owner back on CollaborateSpace.net, you will now be able to see not only your information, but also the user that you just added, and shows that their status that they are both available. But notice that you are the owner, but you could change the role of the one that you just added. If you wanted to make them, you could check the box here and select Change Role. Under this one, you could say, I want to change the role of this user to not be just a user, but now I want them to also to be an administrator. If they are an administrator, they will have the capability of now being able to add users along the way as well. So this is, as an owner, how you have the capability of adding users to the CollaborateSpace for your particular account.